Regards mo po kayo.
Kailangan po ba ito?
Hindi na kailangan yan.
Kailangan?
Wala mo kailangan.
Ay, akin na yung kay
Bago po na lang. Wala
I
po.
think better to be here, go to the middle.
Akin mo na dito.
Wala lang magkawang.
Okay lang. Madilig ko
Diyan
sila.
ba? O dito si...
Ang protocol ng mga So, okay, this is the oath-taking of the newly elected governor of Cebu for the Provincial Council President of PDP, Cebu Province. Okay, can you please raise your right hand and repeat after me? I,
I,
state your name,
Pamela S. Baricuatro,
having been appointed
having been appointed
as the Provincial Council President of the Province of Cebu
as the Provincial Council President of the Province of Cebu
of the Partido Democratico Filipino,
of the Partido Democratico Filipino,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
to abide by
to abide by
and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
and of the party,
and of the party,
to keep faith in
to keep faith in
and put into practice
and put into practice
the 5 basic principles of PDP
the 5 basic principles of PDP
and the basic objective of federalism,
and the basic objective of federalism,
to perform my duties to the best of my abilities
to perform my duties to the best of my abilities
and capabilities
and capabilities
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
with the aim in view
with the aim in view
of furthering the objectives of the party
of furthering the objectives of the party
and advancing the interests of the community
and advancing the interests of the
to
community
which it is dedicated,
to which it is dedicated,
and to conduct myself
and to conduct myself
in a manner befitting a good and true PDP,
to the manner befitting a good and true PDP,
so as to bring honor and prestige
so as to bring honor and
to the
prestige
party,
to the party,
and that I take this pledge
and that I take this pledge
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So yun na.
Thank you, sir.
Sequendary.